Hello and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of generating income on YouTube without producing a single video. Yes, you heard it right. We'll explore ingenious and effective strategies to tap into the YouTube phenomenon without being a full-fledged content creator. And don't forget to stay updated with our wealth-building insights. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Now let's begin our journey. In understanding YouTube passive income, it's crucial to realize that it's about harnessing existing content to generate earnings, eliminating the need for constant video production. It's an ideal strategy for those seeking to earn with minimal effort. So how do you kickstart this venture? Here's our first tactic. One prevalent method of generating income without producing videos is through affiliate marketing. Identify products or services linked to popular videos within your niche, join affiliate programs, and build content around those products. Place your affiliate links in the video description. Each sale through your link translates into a commission for you. It's a win-win situation. Another strategy is curating and repurposing existing content. Look for trending topics or popular videos within your niche, compile the standout moments, and create compilation videos. Remember to credit the original creators in your video descriptions. This strategy not only saves you from producing new content, but also capitalizes on already popular trends. Search engine optimization for your video is crucial. Design captivating thumbnails and titles that demand attention. Incorporate relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to enhance the likelihood of your video being discovered. This will boost your video's ranking on YouTube and attract a larger audience. Utilize YouTube Shorts to your advantage. These are brief, engaging videos that require no camera time. Just focus on creating captivating content. Shorts have their dedicated section on the YouTube homepage, making it easier for your content to be discovered. Remember to incorporate your affiliate links and optimize your shorts for SEO. Using stock footage and music is another excellent way to generate income without producing videos. Create compilation videos with high-quality stock footage, add some background music, and voila! You've created an aesthetically pleasing video without touching a camera. Remember to respect copyright laws and use licensed content. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on generating income on YouTube without producing videos. Whether you opt for affiliate marketing, content curation, SEO optimization, utilizing shorts, or leveraging stock footage, there's a wealth of options to explore. If you found this video beneficial, give it a thumbs up and share it with your network of aspiring YouTubers. Also, don't forget to check the video description for our top recommendation for generating income on YouTube without producing videos. Until next time, stay tuned for more wealth-building tips. Happy earning! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.